Hello and welcome to another product showcase. I'm Nick with LeisureTime Golf Cars. Pretty excited to be talking about another great model from E-Z-GO and Textron. This is the E-Z-GO Freedom RXV ELiTE. We've got two in the showroom here today, a beautiful metallic charcoal and a beautiful bright white. For those of you that maybe have shopped the E-Z-GO RXV, which was introduced to our lineup in 2008, or perhaps you even own one, you'll recognize the size and shape of the golf car. But what the RXV ELiTE is, that's different than what you have, is this lithium-powered battery technology. Really excited about that. What does lithium mean to you? A great golf car with phenomenal range, perfect vehicle for neighborhood transportation, but zero maintenance. This is a use it, park it, drive it, enjoy it kind of vehicle, and don't worry about what's going on under the seat. With our traditional wet cell or flooded lead acid battery golf cars, which E-Z-GO also makes great ones of, we have a little bit more maintenance to worry about. Battery connections and cleaning, adding water, exposing chemicals like acid to your garage floor. Those things are all out the window with the RXV ELiTE. And to top it all off, a 5-year unlimited amp hour, unlimited mileage warranty on these lithium battery packs. So E-Z-GO, being the cutting edge of electric golf car development, said we've got some new technology. Perhaps you're a little bit concerned on what that new technology might bring to you for a cost. Let's just back it up with a 5-year warranty, the best in the industry. Let's take a couple of minutes and look at these two examples of the RXV Freedom ELiTE. So with the Freedom lineup for years, you're going to automatically get headlights and taillights, brake lights and a horn, a state of charge meter, and your choice of some beautiful colors. The metallic charcoal car will take a minute to look under the seat to show you what a lithium battery pack setup looks like. If you've seen under the seat of the lead acid batteries, you'll see multiple batteries. Under the seat here, you'll see a simple black shroud covering those battery packs. Two connections that cannot corrode. They are there, you just park it, there's no winter storage. We simply refer you to your owner's manual for a couple of tips and tactics, but it's really a simple car to own. Automatic charger included, of course, that will go somewhere in your facility, and you're able to plug it in when you're ready. Say the charge meter can give you an indication if you're getting low. You plug it in. Very short charge times with lithium. You can get your recharged and back up and going quicker than with a discharge set of lead acid batteries. This particular metallic charcoal one, of course, dressed up with sweet seats, 14-inch wheels. We go down and take a look at those. Of course, many different selections of wheels available. This one goes really nice with this charcoal color scheme. With any Freedom model, of course, we're going to have a DC-DC voltage regulator, meaning we are going to be able to reduce our 48-volt circuit to a 12-volt circuit to add accessories that you might enjoy, like a bazooka sound bar that we've added on this one for display, or a radio. We can add fans. Anything that would run on your 12-volt circuit, we'll be able to equip on your new E-Z-GO Freedom RXV ELiTE. You can pan over and take a look at the white one. Again, a 14-inch wheel being shown here. Give you an idea of what the stock seat looks like on the Freedom RXV ELiTE. It's a stock solid bench seat. You will be able to choose either black, stone beige, or white if you choose to stay with the bench seat. And then a corresponding top, in this case, of course, black. See a windshield added here. This is a little bit closer to your standard RXV ELiTE with just the addition of a couple accessories, windshield and wheels. We do keep the RXV ELiTE in stock. There are 3 different levels to the RXV ELiTE. We refer to them as a 2.0, a 3.0, and a 4.0. What that is the number of battery packs powering the system. The larger the number, the more packs, the more range. For most of our users in the Midwest, for golf applications, 18 to 36 holes, the 2.0 is more than sufficient. If you feel like you have longer range applications, we can certainly talk about the 3.0 and the 4.0 and the pricing of each. As always, excellent financing available on all E-Z-GO products. Please inquire with us on that. Email us or give us a phone call anytime to check our inventory of RXV ELiTEs. We'll let you know what colors we have, what size they are, and the availability. Come in and check it out in our showroom. Take one for a test drive and see what you think of the new E-Z-GO Freedom RXV ELiTE. Thank you for joining us today.